Are you looking for the best mini gaming PCs? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mini gaming PCs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Asus ROG NUC. When I first opened up the Asus ROG NUC, I was surprised by how small and light it was. Sure, it's using all mobile class hardware, but for something I'm hooking into my TV, it has surprisingly little heft to it. Couple that with the fact it looks exactly like a cable box, and this is a mini gaming PC that's perfect for blending into a living room. It's great for a media center PC already, but the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 means it's no slouch when it comes to gaming. Up to a point at least. The wall I kept running into again and again when I reviewed the Asus ROG NUC is that the mobile class hardware is always a limiting factor, especially when it's connected to a 4K TV. Don't get me wrong, the ROG NUC absolutely can power through any PC game on the market, including demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Black Myth, Wukong, at 1080p. If you connect this to a 4K TV, though, you will have to turn down some settings in some of the flashiest games if you want to maintain a solid frame rate. It is still quite a bit more powerful than the PS5 even with its limitations though, and the NVIDIA graphics do allow it to use DLSS to narrow the gap at 4K. Just keep in mind that you're not going to be maxing out Black Myth, Wukong with full ray tracing or anything, and you should be fine. To be clear, with how tiny the Asus ROG NUC is, there's no way a full desktop-class graphics card would even fit inside. The Asus ROG NUC is probably one of the best mini gaming PCs you're going to find anywhere, but just like any mini gaming PC, you'll have to do some calculus about whether or not it's worth just going with one of the best gaming laptops instead. Product specifications. CPU. Intel Core Ultra 7, Intel Core Ultra 9. GPU. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, mobile. RAM. 16GB, 32GB DDR5. Storage. 512GB, 1TB PCIe 4.0 M.2 SSD. Ports. 1 XSD card reader, 4X USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, 1X 3.mm headphone, 1X Thunderbolt 4, 2X USB-A 2.0, 1X HDMI 2.1, 2X DisplayPort 1.4a, 1X Ethernet, 1X power. Number 2. MinisForum Venus Series 773 Mauritania Nugias. Looking for a wallet-friendly mini PC that doesn't skimp on performance? The MinisForum Venus Series 773 Mauritania Nugias might be just what you need. Despite its budget-friendly price tag of $450, the 773 Mauritania Nugias packs a serious punch with an AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor and integrated AMD Radeon 680M graphics. While it doesn't have a discrete GPU, the integrated 680M can hold its own against some lower-end dedicated graphics cards, especially when it comes to sports gaming. Stepping into the next generation, the 773 Mauritania Nugias is equipped with 32GB of speedy DDR5 RAM and a 512GB SSD, offering a smooth experience right out of the box. The RAM and storage should keep things running efficiently, but an upgrade might be worth considering down the line for more demanding tasks. As for connectivity, this mini PC doesn't disappoint. It offers a variety of ports, including 2X HDMI, 1X USB 4 Type-C, 1X USB 3.2 Type-C, 4X USB 3.2 Type-A, 1X RJ45, 1X DMIC port, and a 3.5mm combo jack, making it versatile for both productivity and entertainment setups. Product specifications. CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS. GPU, AMD Radeon 680M. RAM, 32GB DDR5. Storage, 512GB SSD. Ports. 2X HDMI. 1x USB 4 Type-C, 1x USB 3.2 Type-C, 4x USB 3.2 Type-A, 1x RJ45, 1x DMIC port, 1x3.5mm combo jack. Overall, the MinisForum Venus Series 773 Mauritanian UGIAs offers impressive specs for the price, making it a solid choice for those seeking a powerful and compact PC without breaking the bank. Number 3. Zotac ZBox Magnus 1. The Zotac Magnus 1 might not look like much at first glance, but don't let its compact design fool you. Inside its tiny chassis, you'll find a GeForce RTX 3060 GPU, a powerful graphics card capable of delivering impressive 1440p gaming performance. While the Intel Core i5-10400 processor might not be the newest on the block, it's still a reliable performer that won't bottleneck the GPU, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. As for memory, the Magnus 1 comes with 16GB of DDR4 RAM. While that might seem modest compared to some other mini PCs, it's more than enough for most gaming and general use scenarios. The 512GB SSD also provides fast load times and responsive performance, but you might want to consider an upgrade if you have a massive game library. In terms of pricing, the Zotac Magnus 1 is definitely on the higher end. You could arguably get a more powerful full-sized gaming PC for the same price. However, if you need a compact, space-saving solution without sacrificing gaming performance, the Magnus 1 justifies its cost. Its sleek design, impressive specs, and solid performance make it one of the best mini PCs for gaming enthusiasts who value both form factor and functionality. Product specifications. CPU, Intel Core i5-10400. GPU, GeForce RTX 3060. RAM, 16GB DDR4. Storage, 512GB SSD. Ports: 1x HDMI 2.1, 3x DisplayPort 1.4a, Gigabit LAN, Ethernet, 4x USB 3.1, 4x USB 3.0, 1 Type-C. Overall, the Zotac Magnus 1 strikes a solid balance between power and portability, making it a compelling choice for gamers who want to save space without sacrificing performance. Number 4. Mac Mini M2. You might not think of gaming when you hear Mac Mini M2, but this compact powerhouse delivers surprisingly good performance, allowing you to play a wide range of games at decent frame rates. With a noticeable boost in power over the M1, the M2 chip comes equipped with an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, offering strong performance whether you're gaming or tackling productivity tasks. In terms of connectivity, the Mac Mini M2 supports up to two 4K displays at 120Hz and comes loaded with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring smooth online gaming and fast wireless connections. And while a Windows PC might still be the go-to for pure gaming performance, the Mac Mini M2 makes a compelling case for itself, especially if you want a Mac that can handle some gaming on the side. If you're thinking about displays, check out our roundup of the best monitors for Mac Mini to find the perfect match. Product specifications. CPU, Apple M2 chip, 8-core. GPU, 10-core integrated GPU. RAM, up to 24GB unified memory. Storage, up to 2TB SSD. Ports: 2x Thunderbolt 4, with support for DisplayPort. 2x USB-A. 1x HDMI. 1x Gigabit Ethernet. 1x3.5mm headphone jack. Overall, the Mac Mini M2 strikes a balance between performance and price, making it an affordable and capable option for those who want a compact Mac that can handle gaming as well as productivity. Number 5. GMKtec Mini PC Gaming. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful gaming PC, the NUC Case 6 might just be what you need. This small form factor mini PC packs a punch with an AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads with boost speeds up to 5.1 GHz, paired with the AMD Radeon 780M integrated GPU based on the RDNA 3 architecture, it delivers impressive performance, almost on par with the NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti. Plus, with support for FSR 2.0 Plus technology, you can expect smoother gameplay and improved multitasking. Memory and storage are also top tier, with 32GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MHz and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD for super fast load times. If you need more, the NUC Case 6 supports expansion up to 64GB RAM and 4TB of SSD storage. Connectivity options are equally impressive. The new USB 4.0 port supports 8K at 60Hz video output and transfer speeds up to 40 gigabits per second, making it perfect for high-resolution monitors and fast data transfers. You can also enjoy a triple-screen display setup with USB-C, DisplayPort, and HDMI outputs, making it a breeze to switch between tasks or immerse yourself in widescreen gaming. For networking, the NUC Case 6 is loaded with dual 2.5 gigabits per second LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds and stable connections to all your wireless devices. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, you won't miss a beat. And to top it off, GMKtec offers a 1-year limited warranty with a responsive after-sales team, so you can game on without worries. Product specifications. CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS, 8C/16T, up to 5.1 GHz. GPU, AMD Radeon 780M, 12 cores, RDNA 3. RAM, 32GB DDR5, expandable to 64GB. Storage, 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, expandable to 4TB. Ports, 1x USB 4.0, with DisplayPort support. 1x HDMI. 2x USB-A 3.2. 2x2.5 gigabits per second LAN ports. 1x3.5mm headphone jack. Networking, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. Warranty, 1-year limited warranty. In summary, the NUC Case 6 is a mini gaming PC that proves size doesn't matter when it comes to performance. Its combination of power, connectivity, and expandability makes it a fantastic choice for gamers and professionals alike.